Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by getting Teams installed and signed in. Download the Mac OS app, then open it. Mac OS will ask for accessibility and screen recording. Grant them so meetings and sharing work. Once done, sign in with your work, school, or Microsoft account. This links your calendar and contacts automatically. Make sure notifications are allowed so calls and messages reach you. This immediate setup saves time later because calendar invites and chat sync instantly across devices, which speeds joining meetings. Next, configure devices and organize your workspace. Open Teams settings and choose your preferred camera, microphone, and speaker, then make a test call to verify clarity and volume. If echoes or low volume occur, switch hardware or adjust sample rate in Mac OS Audio MIDI setup. Once audio-video is solid, set up Teams and channels so messages go to the right place and mute noisy channels. Finally, fine-tune notification banners and sounds so you get important alerts without To finish, join meetings from your calendar, a link, or by hitting Meet Now. On the pre-join screen, choose camera and mic and toggle background effects if needed. When presenting, pick Share and choose a window or the entire screen and enable Optimize for video to keep motion smooth. If something goes wrong, first quit and reopen Teams, then verify Mac OS permissions for camera, microphone, and screen recording. If issues persist, sign in to the Teams web client to isolate whether it's the app or your system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.